to Forex Blue Hub, and in this video I'm going to analyze the market for the next Monday to Friday, and this is a fundamental analysis. Okay, as you know that gold is always connected with USD, that's why we have to analyze the USD news. That means USD news. Okay, so here is USD news analysis, and news come with two type of data. One of them is positive data, another one is negative data. Okay, if data come with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k, that indicates sell for gold, and for negative news, that means data come with negative like red 0.5%, red 245k indicates buy for gold. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data we will sell gold, why for negative data we will buy gold? Okay, you may ask me, you may mark a question. Okay, so let me explain that. You have to, before that you have to keep your concern two things. Number one is gold value is always fixed, that means gold value is constant. Okay, and number two is USD value is changeable, that means USD value is always variable. Okay, you have to that means currency value USD and all of the currency value is changeable, that means they are variable, and gold value, gold, metal, oil, those value are always fixed. Okay, and to make that more unstable, suppose one triangle of XAUSD is equal to 2500 USD triangle. Okay, so that is equal. Okay, and if news data come with negative 5%, that means minus 5%, and which news data? USD news data. Okay, USD news data, so we have to minus 5% from USD. Okay, so if we minus 5% from this triangle, result of this triangle will be smaller than previous one because we already taken minus 5%. Okay, that's why in that case gold is bigger than USD. That's why if news data come with what, come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, and same thing for other one. If news data come with positive value, that means if we plus 5% with the USD news come, that's why we have to add 5% with the USD, so there is plus 5%, that means this is bigger than previous one. In that case gold is smaller than USD, that means in this case we will sell gold. This is the simple thing or simple theory. Okay, and there is also a lot of geopolitical issues around the world, like next Monday Trump is going to call Putin, Zelensky and other NATO member to discuss about the tariff rate. So you may see a shaky market, or you may see a shake on the market next Monday. Okay, so you have to keep your concern on that type of geopolitical issue or trade war or tariff war. So we are sharing a lot of analysis or fundamental analysis on our Telegram channel, because news data come with suddenly, so you have to follow sudden news data. So we can't post video each and every minute, so we have to post it on our Telegram channel. So if you want to know them, or if you interested to know them, so you may join our Telegram to check all time real time update. Okay, as you can see there, Monday there is no major USD news, there is tariff news. Okay, news from where? From Trump and NATO, plus what, Putin plus Zelensky. Okay, so we will keep our eyes on that issue. Okay, that issue. And in Tuesday there is no USD news, there is CAD CNI news, there is no news. Maybe if there is no geopolitical issue or tariff issue, market is going to move sideways, so we will take the full sideways market advantage. Okay, in Wednesday we don't have any news, we have only CPI, that means Great Britain pound CPI news. So if there is no geopolitical issues, market will be moved on sideways, so we have to take this advantage too. So if I scroll down a little bit more, as you can see that we have Thursday 3 USD news, that means unemployment climbs, plus that means PMI news. So if news data come with positive value, we will sell gold, as I said previous. If negative, we will buy gold. Okay, and same thing for this one. And in Friday we have one time USD news, that means new home sales, and as you can see the color is orange. That means this is semi major, not major like the red one. Okay, semi major. If news data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If negative value, we will buy gold. This is the basic theory. This is the simplest theory. If you want to learn more, or if you want to know more about that, you may join our Telegram channel. There we are sharing a lot of news data, or a lot of news explanation each and every day. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals roll